Hello everyone! Is your car struggling with erratic shifting, or does it feel like it's losing power while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0730 incorrect gear ratio, your transmission isn't selecting the proper gears. In this video, I'll explain what P0730 means, its symptoms and, most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0730 trouble code occurs when the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detects an incorrect gear ratio while shifting gears. This issue can cause transmission slipping, rough shifting, and performance loss. Harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or not engaging properly. Reduced acceleration and fuel efficiency. Check engine light on limp mode activation. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components causing the problem. To diagnose P0730, check these key components. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft or bell housing. Function, measures the speed of the transmission input shaft and sends data to the PCM. Transmission output speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location, near the transmission output shaft, usually at the end of the transmission housing. Function, tracks vehicle speed and helps calculate gear ratios. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, under the hood, typically mounted near the firewall or battery. Function, controls gear shifting and detects incorrect gear ratios. Transmission fluid and valve body location, inside the transmission pan under the vehicle. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Shift solenoids. Location, inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body. Function, controls gear shifting based on fluid pressure and PCM signals. Wiring and connectors location, between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor, and PCM. Function, transmits crucial speed data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0730 faulty transmission input speed sensor, sends incorrect input speed data. Defective transmission output. Speed sensor, PCM miscalculates gear ratios. Low or dirty transmission fluid, contaminated or low fluid disrupts gear engagement. Worn or damaged transmission components, faulty clutch packs, bands, or torque converter. Faulty valve body or shift solenoids, improper fluid pressure affects gear shifting. Wiring or PCM issues, broken wires or a malfunctioning PCM can cause shifting problems. How to fix P0730? Step 1, check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2, inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3, test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4, inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5, check the valve body and solenoids. If fluid is clean but shifting issues persist, the valve body may need service. Step 6, inspect the transmission internals. If the clutch packs or bands are worn, transmission rebuild may be needed. Step 7, reprogram or replace PCM/TCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 8, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Ignoring P0730 can lead to serious transmission failure and costly repairs. Fixing this issue early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0716, Input Turbine Speed Sensor Circuit Range Performance. P0717, Input Turbine Speed Sensor Circuit. No signal. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.